everyone, and welcome to Talk Easy English.
Imagine this. You walk into a cozy cafe in London, or maybe you're at a sunny beach in Sydney. Someone smiles and says, "Hi, nice to meet you." Your heart beats faster. What do you say? In the next few minutes, Starter English Lessons will teach you how to introduce yourself in simple, natural English. Perfect for beginners, perfect for real life. Let's help you sound friendly, confident, and clear for UK and Australian listeners.
Ready? Let's begin.
Listen and repeat these important phrases. Hello, my name is.
Hello, my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am from.
I am from Australia.
I live in.
I live in London.
I am a.
I am a student.
Let's connect them.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Australia. I live in London. I am a student. Nice to meet you.
Simple, clear, polite. These phrases work everywhere, in the UK, in Australia, or anywhere in the world. Let's try again with a different name.
Hello, my name is Tom. I am from Manchester. I live in Sydney. I am a barista. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Keep listening and feel the rhythm of natural English. Now let's hear a slow and clear conversation. Hello, my name is James. What is your name?
Hello. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, James.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia. I am from Melbourne, Australia.
Do you live in Australia now?
No, I live in London.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Do you like London?
Yes, I like London. It is busy, but beautiful.
Let's repeat your full introduction slowly.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am 22 years old. I am from Melbourne, Australia. I live in London now. I am a student and I study English. Nice to meet you.
Very good. Slow and easy to follow.
Fast conversation.
Hi, I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Hi, James. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia, but I live in London now.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
How do you like London?
I love it. It's exciting and full of life.
Great to hear. Welcome.
Thanks. Happy to be here.
Practice and repeat. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat. Hello, my name is. Pause. I am from. Pause. I live in. Pause. I am a. Pause. Nice to meet you. Pause. Now say it all together.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Australia. I live in London. I am a student. Nice to meet you.
Great job. Say it again with your own information. Remember, smile when you speak. Speak clearly. Confidence starts with one simple sentence. Thank you for learning with Starter English Lessons. Practice every day, and soon you will introduce yourself with ease and confidence. See you in the next lesson. Before you go, here's your next simple mission. If this lesson helped you feel more confident, please like this video and subscribe to Starter English Lessons for more easy and practical English every day. And now, it's your turn to speak. Go down to the comments and introduce yourself in English. Write, hello, my name is, I am from, I live in, I am a. Don't be shy. This is your practice space. We read your comments and we support your English journey. Like, subscribe, and comment your introduction below. Let the world meet the real you in English. See you in the next lesson.